Should I renovate or build new? Welcome to Frost Built DC, where we explore the very best in home design and construction. We hope we can earn your subscription today. Well, today we're tackling a big question. Should I renovate or build new? Let's rip into the pros and cons so you can make the best decision for your home and your budget. Maybe you love your community, but the home's too small. The kids are settled into a great school. You've got your favourite takeaway joints. You've got great facilities, established friends, and an awesome community. I feel ya. What are you going to do? Maybe a new kitchen, new bathrooms, and a small extension is all you need. It's going to save you time and money, and you get to stay in the community that you love. But sometimes you just need to start again. Plan it properly so you can build from the ground up exactly what you want and need. 5 great advantages of building a modern home are design flexibility, energy efficiency, maintenance and longevity, integration of technology, and ease of compliance. The disadvantages of building a new home are higher upfront costs. Before you buy a new home, maybe you need to sell your existing. And maybe you can't sell your existing until you do some minor refurbishment first. And then, how much does it cost to sell your home? And how much does it cost to buy a new home? So how do you possibly decide what's the right choice for you? If I build a new home, I can get exactly what I want. If I stay here, I don't have to move, and I love this community. It's probably best to consult with an expert in design and construction to get a realistic idea of costs and what you can do. Here at Frost Built DC, we specialise in helping homeowners transform their visions into a reality, whether it's through thoughtful renovation or stunning additions. And no matter which path you choose, remember, the goal is to create a space that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. And if you are ready to take on that new addition or extension, reach out to Frost Built DC and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe. And why not leave a comment down below? Tell us what you'd like us to cover. Pick a topic and we'll take on the challenge. See you on the next episode.